Hi, let's say that you're a beginner. You're not a coder, you're not a programmer, you don't know how to build websites, you don't know how to use the various web design tools that are available right now, such as WordPress. So you're a complete beginner, you don't know what to do. You also don't have the money to hire someone else to build a website for you. Which is the best website builder for you as a beginner? The best site builder that I can suggest to anyone who is a complete beginner is Jimdo. And the reason for this is because it's a very easy platform to use. That's number one. Number two, the pricing is very affordable as compared to other platforms. The pricing is very affordable. Now, if you're a complete beginner, you just want to build a website. You can build a website, you can build an online store with Jimdo. It's a very easy platform to use actually. Once you get in, you'll see. So just forget about this. This is not for you. If you're a serious business person, just create your account to try it, but you should think about using one of these plans. You should definitely start with this one because there's no point in going with a higher plan if you can just start with a smaller one. So just start with this plan. If you're a complete beginner, you'll go in, you create your account, you start with this plan, you add a domain name, you can test it out for free. The free plan, of course, will not come with a domain name. You'll have to build your domain using this. So it will be something like mybusiness.jimdosite.com. That is not professional. You shouldn't even think about that. And the domain you'll get here will be free. So if you start with this plan, you'll get a domain for free for a year. So it's important to know that these are the plans for websites, and online store is different. As for online stores, you can choose any one of these plans. But as I usually say, just start with the basic one, and then you can upgrade as the need arises, or if you find that there are certain features that you need and they're not available here, you can just go to the next plan. At this point, you can just go ahead and set up an account. I will leave the link in the description below. If you want to continue watching the video, the next step for me is to set up an account so that I can just show you some of the things that you will encounter when you log into your Jimdo account when you're setting up your website. So before I even continue with that, I just want to say that if you're a seasoned web designer or web developer who has used other platforms before, then Jimdo is definitely not for you. Jimdo was designed for beginners, and if you're not a beginner, you're going to find that some of the things you're looking for will not be available. Maybe you want to add and customize various things using HTML, JavaScript, and so on. You'll find that these options will not be available for you. So if you're not a beginner, this is definitely not the platform for you. But if you're a beginner, this is definitely the best platform for you to design your website and to put it out online for your visitors and customers. So let's just go ahead and create an account, and I just want to do a quick overview of what you'll expect. So here on the pricing page, you can just go ahead and look at all these options and see what each pricing is about, but I want us to create a website, not an online store. I can just click here to get started with this one. The first thing I will need to do will be to create an account. Just scroll down and click on sign up now. And of course, the next step, you choose how you want to sign up. So you can sign up with Facebook or any of these other options, but I want to sign up with my email address. So I'll click on with email. Ensure you use a strong password there. So you can use 8 characters, mix upper and lowercase, at least a number, and one of the special characters. I don't want to receive any marketing information, but if you want to receive any marketing news from them, you can click there. And then I'll just accept the terms and conditions. Then I will create account. All right, so I'll need to go to my email address and I will see if the email has arrived. There we go. I'll just click here to confirm.